Hey there, families. So, as you know, mid September through mid October is National Hispanic Heritage Month. So, in this video, I'm going to give you some tips to help boost your child's vocabulary and reading and writing skills, all while teaching your child to have a better appreciation for another's culture or their own. But first, let's go over some history. Every year, National Hispanic Heritage Month is observed from September 15th through October 15th. During this time, Americans celebrate and honor the culture and all the amazing achievements and contributions of American citizens, past and present, whose ancestors came from Spain, Mexico, the Caribbean, Central America, and South America. September 15th marks the independence days of 5 Latin countries: Costa Rica, El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, and Nicaragua. On September 16th, Mexico achieved independence, and Chile achieved independence on September 18th. If you guys want to find out more about the history of Hispanic Heritage Month, you can visit this website, hispanicheritagemonth.gov. Alright, so it's great to talk to kids about all the various aspects of culture. For instance, how culture is not only about race and ethnicity, but how it includes language, traditions, art, dance, music, architecture, holidays, religions, and so much more. You can use these tips to help children better understand the various aspects of culture. Also, these topics can help you introduce new vocabulary to children, and it will help them build their reading and writing skills all at the same time. So here are some tips to try with your family at home this month. Enjoy some family cooking. The cultures and cuisines of Latin America have such special flavors and ingredients that make them truly unique. Check out the link below in the description box for a list of kid-friendly recipes to try out with your kiddos. Of course, talking with your child about the ingredients and why they are used will enhance vocabulary. You can create a shopping list, write items down, and read the recipe together. Then get the family together, cook something new, and taste all the flavors of another culture, or perhaps it's your own. Ask your child about the flavors. You can also ask your child questions like, is it spicy? Is it sweet? What ingredients can you smell? What are the colors in the dish? Does it taste similar to another dish we make at home? Keep the fun going throughout the month and try something new each week. You can research a different country and learn a new recipe. Check out bilingual children's books at the library. Look for some English-Spanish books to read together with your kids this month. Children who learn other languages will have the opportunity to learn about the place and people where that language is spoken. Acquiring this type of knowledge could help them to become more flexible and help them adapt to new situations. Children who are exposed to a variety of languages tend to have better problem-solving skills and cognitive skills. Listen to some traditional music. Playing music with your children is a great way to expose them to new sounds, and they can have lots of fun singing, clapping, and dancing along to the music from other cultures. Have conversations with your child about the different instruments they hear. If they don't understand the words, that's okay. Ask them what they think the song is about. See if they can guess by the melody, tone, and rhythm of the music. Learn about different role models. Remember all the various aspects of culture, in this case, Hispanic culture, and pick a topic that your child is interested in. Give your child plenty of options. Consider learning about an athlete, a dancer, a musician, a scientist, artist, a writer, film director, or a Nobel Peace Prize winner. Anything your child is interested in. There are so many people from diverse backgrounds who contribute their remarkable talents and unique perspectives to society, which have left a huge impact in our world. So after doing your research, have your child create an art project demonstrating what your child has learned. Perhaps they may want to draw a portrait of their new role model, or if they're old enough, they could even write their role model a letter about how they've been inspired. There are so many benefits to these activities for both you and your child. When learning about other cultures, there's an increased value placed on diversity. You get a better understanding of other cultures and stereotypes are minimized. Communication will enhance and become more effective, and there's more opportunity to meet new people and have new experiences. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy trying out some of these activities this month and keep me posted on what you guys discover. Okay, so go ahead and grab your book. We're going to read Drum Dream Girl. This is a story about how one girl's courage changed music. This is by Margarita Engle and illustrated by Rafael López. So this story is inspired by a Chinese African Cuban girl who broke Cuba's traditional taboo against female drummers. Drum Dream Girl tells an inspiring true story for dreamers everywhere. So let's go ahead and turn to the first page. On an island of music in a city of drum beats, the Drum Dream Girl dreamed. So she's staring up at the moon. What do you think she's dreaming about? She's dreaming of pounding tall conga drums, tapping small bongo drums, and boom, boom, booming with long, loud sticks on big, round, silvery, moon-bright timbales. Can you guys drum on your book? But everyone on the island of music in the city of drum beats believed that only boys should play drums. Do you think that's fair that only boys get to play drums? So the Drum Dream Girl had to keep dreaming quiet, secret drum beat dreams. So take a look at what she's dreaming about now. What did she turn herself into? At outdoor cafes that looked like gardens, she heard drums played by men, but when she closed her eyes, she could also hear her own imaginary music. So again, what does her music sound like? Ready? When she walked under wind-wavy palm trees in a flower-bright park, she heard the whir of parrot wings, the clack of woodpecker beaks, the dancing tap of her own footsteps, and the comforting pat of her own heartbeat. So what does a heartbeat sound like? At carnivals, she listened to the rattling beats of towering dancers on stilts. So if stilts were walking by, what would that sound like? And the dragon clang of costumed drummers wearing huge masks. At home, her fingertips rolled out their own dreamy drum rhythm on tables and chairs. And even though everyone kept reminding her that girls on the island of music had never played drums before, the brave Drum Dream Girl dared to play tall conga drums, small bongo drums, and big, round, silvery, moon-bright timbales. Her hands seemed to fly as they rippled, rapped, and pounded all the rhythms of her drum dreams. Her big sisters were so excited that they invited her to join their new all-girl dance band. So now we have all-girl musicians here. Do you think that she's going to be able to play her drums with them? Uh-oh, look at her father. Do you think he's going to let her play? Her father said only boys should play drums. So the Drum Dream Girl had to keep dreaming and drumming alone. But look at all the animals. Are they enjoying her drumming? Until finally her father offered to find a music teacher who could decide if her drums deserved to be heard. The Drum Dream Girl's teacher was amazed. The girl knew so much, but he taught her more and more and more. And she practiced and practiced and practiced. So what happens when you practice a lot? Get really good, right? Until the teacher agreed that she was ready to play her small bongo drums outdoors at a starlit cafe that looked like a garden, where everyone heard her dream-bright music, sang and danced, and decided that girls should always be allowed to play drums. and both girls and boys should feel free to dream. So now we have another dreamer sitting up on the cloud. He's got something in his hand. What's he holding? What do you think he's dreaming about? All right, and that's the end. So this is a great story and an inspiring one where a girl from Cuba broke the traditional taboo of female drummers, right? So now she's inspiring female drummers all over the world. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you guys an English-Spanish bilingual song. So some of you guys may already know this one. Some of you, this will be the first time you're hearing it. So we're going to sing it kind of slow. Okay, so we're going to start with the Spanish version first. It's called Dos manitas, 10 deditos. 2 little hands, 10 little fingers. So let me see your 10 little fingers. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Okay, so here's the Spanish version. Ready? Dos manitas, 10 deditos. Dos manitas, 10 deditos. Dos manitas, 10 deditos. Cuántelos conmigo. 1, 2, 3 deditos. 4, 5, 6 deditos. 7, 8, 9 deditos. Y 1 más son 10. Now we're going to do the English version. Ready? 2 little hands, 10 little fingers. 2 little hands, 10 little fingers. 2 little hands, 10 little fingers. Count them all with me. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little fingers. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little fingers. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little fingers. And 1 more makes 10 little fingers. Okay, so here's a really fun activity that you can try this month. You can try teaching your child the alphabet in Spanish. So I'm going to show you guys how to say the alphabet in Spanish. Ready? A, B, C, Ch, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, so you guys can go ahead and give that a try and continue working on it this month. All right, you guys, so I'm going to show you how to make paper flowers today. So you will have your kit. It came with tissue and a pipe cleaner. Go ahead and open up your tissue. You should have 3 sheets of tissue, 2 blue and 1 orange. If you have an extra one, you can go ahead and stack that on there as well. So go ahead and line them up. Okay, make sure you got them lined up on each corner. Just like that. And then we're going to cut out a rectangle shape. So you're going to want to cut out 12 by 6 rectangles. You can measure it or you can kind of just guess if you want to, if you don't have a ruler with you, which I don't. So I'm just going to guess. I'm just going to try to do a 12 by 6 rectangle. So starting on the short edge, you're going to want to do 6 inches. And then cutting about 12 inches long. Doesn't have to be perfect, just kind of close. So now you have a 12 by 6 rectangle with all 3 sheets. Okay. The next thing we want to do is we're going to make an accordion fold. Okay, so starting with the short side, the 6-inch side, you're going to want to fold over 1 inch. So measure 1 inch. And go ahead and fold. And then flip over and fold the other direction. Okay, and that will start your accordion fold. So once you have your folds, you want to fold one more time right in the middle. Okay? Fold there just to create a little crease. Also, we want to round the edges here with your scissors. This is going to give you some nice rounded petals for your flower. So go ahead and round here. Just like that, and the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now we have 2 rounded sides there. Then we're going to take our pipe cleaner. This is your flower stem. So right there, right where you have your crease, you're going to wrap your stem around. Make sure to loop it around. And you can make it nice and tight if you want. Okay. That's the center of your flower. Next, gently peel your tissue paper so you can start creating your petals. Okay, so go ahead and start opening up your flower. Be very gentle, pulling your petals apart. By the way, I'm here at Logan Heights Library. So now you're going to start seeing your flower unveiling itself. And there, we have our flower. You have your nice, beautiful flower to celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy all of these wonderful activities, and I hope that I will see you in the library very, very soon. Until the next video.